9 best gifts ideas for a 1-year-old kid. Number 1. Baby Walker. This interactive baby walker is a fun and educational toy that helps children learn and develop. It has a removable play panel with different activities, like playing piano keys, spinning rollers, sorting shapes, and pressing light-up buttons. The walker is easy to use and has many different sounds and songs to help children learn. It's perfect for babies and toddlers between 9 months and 3 years old. Number 2. Sippy Cup. These toddler cups are designed for easy drinking and cleaning. They feature a 360-degree drinking edge that eliminates spills, and they automatically seal when not in use. The cups are also easy for little hands to hold and are BPA-free and dishwasher safe. They are recommended for children 6 months and older.
Number 3. Booster Seat. The booster seat is a convenient and safe option for toddlers aged 15 months to 3 years. It raises toddlers to the perfect height for eating at a table, and its 3-point harness ensures their safety. The booster seat is easy to fold and store, and its non-skid feet keep it securely in place. It is also made of BPA, phthalate, and PVC-free materials.
Number 4. Suction Plate. These Weesprout silicone suction plates are designed to make mealtime easier for toddlers. With their 4-point suction design and divided sections, these plates help prevent spills and encourage independent eating. Made from durable food-grade silicone, they are dishwasher and microwave safe for easy cleaning. The plates are also perfect for picky eaters, as the divided sections keep foods separate.
5. Baby Balance Bike. A baby balance bike is a small, pedal-free ride-on toy that helps toddlers develop motor skills and a sense of independence. Children propel themselves forward by using their legs and can steer with the handlebars. These lightweight bikes are designed for easy use both indoors and outdoors. Number 6. Teething Toothbrush. The Baby Banana Infant Toothbrush is a safe and soothing teething toy. Made of soft silicone, it helps prevent mouth injuries and soothes sore gums. Recommended for ages 3 to 24 months, it's easy for parents to use and helps toddlers learn to brush on their own.
Number 7. A construction bulldozer toy. This construction toy is designed to entertain and educate young children. It features a bulldozer that rolls and pops balls into a bucket, colorful number buttons that trigger learning phrases, and engaging sounds and songs that stimulate attention and coordination. The chunky handle encourages motor skill development, and the toy is easy to use with new batteries recommended for regular play.
Number 8. Wooding Sensory Toy. It's an educational wooden toy farm set designed for 1-year-olds. Made with high-quality materials, the set encourages sensory play, imagination, cognitive development, and fine motor skills. Packaged in a beautiful box, it makes a perfect gift for birthdays, holidays, or travel.
Number 9. Happy Birthday Book. Featuring birthday festivities on every page, this joyful classic from the one and only Dr. Seuss rejoices in the person you were born to be.
Today you are you. That is truer than true. There is no one alive who is youer than you.
Please let me know an item you think it should be in the list. Thanks for watching.
And please do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.